If you've ever been told that plant-based eating means just eating salads, today we are putting that myth to rest forever. We are making a Caribbean-inspired feast that is pretty much a warm hug in a bowl. Welcome back to the channel, where we live that abundant, healthy life. Today, I'm sharing a meal that is near and dear to my heart. We are making a full spread inspired by Jamaican Sundays. We've got a rich coconut Ital vegetable stew, savory soy glazed beef strips, fluffy boiled dumplings, sweet fried plantains, and garlicky spinach. It sounds like a lot, but don't worry. I've got the timing down to a science. Get your biggest pot ready and let's cook. We start with the vegetable stew because it needs time to bubble and develop flavor. In goes our chopped onion, garlic, scallion, and fresh thyme. The smell of this hitting the oil is instantly comforting. Next, the pumpkin. This is crucial. As it cooks, it's going to break down and thicken our sauce into liquid gold. Now for the magic liquid, full-fat coconut milk, and some veggie broth. For heat, I'm dropping in a whole Scotch bonnet pepper. Pro tip, leave it whole for flavor. Slice it if you want serious fire. Bring this to a boil. Turn it down to low, cover it, and forget about it for 15 minutes. While the stew does its thing, we prep our dumplings. This is the simplest dough ever. 1.5 cups of flour, a pinch of salt, and about 3/4 cup of water. Get your hands in there. Knead it just until it comes together. Don't overwork it or your dumplings will be tough. We want fluffy pillows, not rocks. Set that aside to rest. Now let's hit these vegetarian beef strips with some savory flavor. We're building a quick brown stew vibe. We're adding soy sauce, paprika, a little ketchup for sweetness, and a splash of browning sauce for that deep color. Turn this way down to low just to keep it warm and juicy. Okay, back to the stew. The pumpkin is softening. Now we add the quick cooking veggies, cubed potatoes, and butter beans. These need about 10 more minutes. While the potatoes cook in the stew, let's boil the dumplings. Grab pieces of your dough and roll them into spinners or flat rounds. Drop them carefully into boiling water. They take about 10 to 12 minutes and they will float when they are ready. Multitasking champion right here. While those boil, we fry the plantains. Guys, if your plantain looks yellow and perfect like a supermarket banana, wait 3 days. It needs black spots to be sweet. Fry them for 2 minutes per side until they are caramelized and golden. Almost there. The stew is thick. The potatoes are tender. Fish out that Scotch bonnet pepper and the thyme stems. Right at the end, stir in some chopped cabbage just so it wilts. Finally, the spinach. Hot pan, garlic, spinach, pinch of salt. Wilt it for 60 seconds, done. Let's build this bowl. Start with those fluffy boiled dumplings as the base. Ladle that rich, creamy coconut vegetable stew right over the top. Add a scoop of the savory beef strips on the side. Fan out those sweet, sticky plantains and a pop of vibrant green spinach. Look at this. You have sweet, savory, creamy, chewy, and soft textures all in one meal. It's completely plant-based and it will keep you full for hours. The dumplings soaked up that coconut gravy. It's perfection. You guys have to try this one for a cozy weekend dinner. If you love this hearty recipe, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe so you never miss a delicious meal. See you next time.